Uno decide say we're not going to take on this job. We're not going to take on this task of tearing down Andrew Holness because somebody promised you to say if them win. Well, the word if alone should I make you understand say it no must happen. So if uno so dunce and fool, where people can just use with that word if, not to say these people are billionaires. We have donated this amount of money towards Gabriel and them and all of them for provide content for the Risers Party. Then gonna promise and then make a note straight say if so you already know say it no must happen.